It's December 21st, 2021, and I should have done the 12 days of Christmas or something because it's like we got a truck to show you guys every single day. This iconic silver, to me, y'all, is the most underrated color out there because it looks so clean and premium and off-roadish all at the same time. I love this color, and I'm really pumping myself up for my Raptor because it's going to be here in 2 days, y'all. So when you're watching this video, it's going to debut tomorrow on the 22nd, and then Christmas is almost here. So if you haven't taken care of your Christmas gifts for the family or loved ones or people that you want to give things to, here's a iconic silver ready just in time before Christmas. So what's the ultimate gift in a brand new Covert Edition truck? Are y'all ready? Let's review. And I say this color is underrated because you just don't see it much, especially on any of the Raptor models, but especially even just the standard F150s. You just don't see as many of the iconic silver out there. You see more of the carbonized gray, though, that magnetic gray, which is a banger as well. Don't get it twisted, but something about this iconic silver is just truly special of the how premium it looks, and also still has that off-road or street vibe that you're trying to achieve. Y'all, we are leveled on 34.5s and 22s. Another thing that is highly underrated is the 22-inch wheel, especially on our Coverts, y'all. We've been doing this, Real Deal's been doing this for a minute, and the 22 on the level stance with this tire size is a money setup because it was hard to find, especially when I had a Chevrolet back in the day. It's hard to believe, but I was a diehard Chevrolet guy and had 22s on the factory side, and there wasn't many companies that had a tire that was the perfect size for the Chevrolet or even definitely the F150. So on a leveled setup, it was like a 32.9. It was not big enough. And then they had one that was too wide for the factory. What I'm getting at is, stay with me, is there's so many different equations to fit that make or could break the perfect setup, and we got the perfect setup here. We're maxed out, but riding so clean and smooth on the 2-inch Ralph's Fox coilover level kit. You see crash bars still intact. 22 by 10, it's a 10 wide wheel, plus 20 offset is the magic. So the plus offset on this setup here on that 285, 55, 22 is great. And this is the new tire, y'all. You've seen us run it a few times, hopefully. The Nitto Recon Grapper, 285, 55, 22 again, 34.6. A great overall setup. The side badge going gloss black and satin on the XLT. Oh my gosh, it's hurting them now. It's hurting the feelings. Look at it up front, y'all. Hey, I'm telling you, this truck is silver bullet, clean, Covert. Love this grill. We did that gray color that does not match. Iconic silver. Did a flip-flop on your emblem up there. Removed the chrome and the blue. So legit. Tow hooks, looking great. Daytime running lights, looking great. Man, this truck is great. We got rear wheel well liners out back. Fox 2.0s that come with our kit. Gloss black on your exhaust. But look at that Moto metal. Hadn't run this wheel enough. It's like the Grenade almost with a little different variation. The milling in your simulated rivets, so clean, goes nicely with the iconic silver. Out back, the tailgate to me just sets it off. That tailgate combo right there with the emblem is so clean and simple, but it's so clean and simple. We got a retracts cover. I love the retracts, don't run them enough, so I said I'm gonna make it a point to run these retracts retractables more. Nice and low profile, very functional, so legit. Window sticker, before we jump up front, pause here, MFC 69124, our Covert package. It's a hit. We got more goodies on the inside. I know I talk about the interior of the F-150s quite often, but we spend a lot of time in them, let's be honest. And it's nice to have soft, premium feeling materials throughout. I just like the way this side piece, which is notorious for the Ford, goes down here ever so nicely. It has just a great overall feel to it. I see good quality material, especially on the XLT 302A package. Got the big 12-inch touchscreen, is just so clear, especially look, backing up. You got the backup sensors plus 360 camera over there, which can be zoomed in on just by the touch of a button. Go to that exact corner. So you got Overall, a very much improved, clearer screen than the 13th gen. The grid lines still move, but going bigger on the size gives you ability to view more functional items all on one screen. You got audio, which also you can show maps here on the side. Navigation system is legit. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, obviously. Different drive modes here. Haven't showcased the drive modes as much on this one. I definitely have them on the Raptor videos, so check those out. So essentially, at the twist of the knob, you have your different drive modes, which it shifts the transmission in 4x4 into the proper setting for that as well. Still have the analog gauges on the XLT model. And then we throw some nice cat skin leather seating, black with the contrast stitching to match the Ford leather center console, also to match the shifter that folds away now with the workstation available. It's great. I love the interior, and I'd say the new Chevrolet interior is probably right there with the new Raptor and higher end F-150 truck interiors, but this one is no slouch. And also keep in mind about the Ram trucks. They have a pretty nice premium feeling interior as well. So we had C-Murder with the rolling shots. We had the Real Deal review on the iconic silver Covert silver bullet right here at Acres of Wild Willies. We talked about Christmas. We didn't talk about the true meaning of Christmas. So I'm gonna say it again, y'all. The reason for the season is our Savior, Jesus Christ. Oh my gosh, y'all. So until next time, which will be the day after tomorrow, when we drop another one, y'all. Appreciate you watching. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so. And the more important thing is hit that bell notification, because just because you subscribe does not mean that you're gonna know when Real Deal drops another one. We got trucks every single day, and we got good vibes every single day. That's worth watching, so I really do appreciate it, y'all. Again, as always, thanks so much. Peace out.